What's happening, everybody? Today I'm bringing you guys a sales pitch. And you know me, I'm living the dream now. For one, I no longer have a job. And you know why I don't have a job? Because I decided to be an entrepreneur. I make money using these 3 little steps. The first step is quit your job. The second step, what is the second step? You need a cell phone. The cell phone is key for the success. So what you need to do with your cell phone is just throw it because you don't even need it in. Anyways, the third step is, what is it? What is it? Money. Now, you're asking yourself, or you're asking me, Roberto, how are you going to get this money? Where are you going to get this money from? Oh, you need a blazer, a blue one. You check in your left pocket, you have all the money in the world, including a receipt that I don't know where I got from. So, instead of that, we're all easily motivated by the money, right? That money is nothing. It's paper. I have millions of it. And I gained all that money in less than 3 hours. You too could get that money too. Or, I should say, as well. So if you're as motivated as you are as I am, just come on, hit the subscribe button, and I'll shoot you a link personally and showing you how much you could earn in extra income. Or matter of fact, we don't even need extra income because you quit your job already. So that's just income coming in. The IRS won't even know that you're making that million. So if you want to be a millionaire by the age of 56, hit me up. Alright? What's happening? /millionaires /millions billions. Click the link and subscribe right now.